can I copy your homework? Yeah, just change it up a bit. Don't make it too obvious. Okay, sure. The homework. I want to become a Hokage. I want to find a cure for my sister. I want to protect planet Earth. I want to feel some. Chainsaw Man fans explaining their favorite girl be like, she's cute. She's nice. Only legends will understand.
The scene where Power killed a cow. Rest of the world. India. Denji at the beginning of episode 1.
It ain't much, but it's honest work.
Denji at the end of episode 1. When I found out that Chainsaw Man has only 12 episodes. Because I'll be happy as long as I have 3 meals a day, a bath, and a good sleep.
So relatable.
We take turns giving shots? It's not like Himeno would have wanted that. Himeno in heaven. I downloaded the wrong movie. This isn't Titanic, this is Pachitanic. Pictures of cute anime girls with their dogs. Denji, you like this to write. What Denji sees, what Makima sees. How it started, how it ended. You want Himeno back cause you miss her. I want her back to give Denji closure. I'm here for my promise, Denji. Will you be my dog? No, you. Makima. We take turns giving him shots. It's not like Himeno would have wanted that. What do I get if I win? Me patiently waiting for Chainsaw Man Season 2. Every death in Chainsaw Man. Guy gets hit in his balls. Boys. Girls.